Action.
Good morning, dear our guest. At today's ELI Good Morning America, we are going to evaluate the case of Greece. At this morning with Dr. Joshkun, who is one of the meritorious, accomplished and respectful researchers at the history of Greece. Before examining and before studying this issue deeply, I would like to give a short information about the situation. Actually, I want to discuss its reasons which led Greece to calm this situation. The first reason is when the global financial risk struck, Greece was badly prepared and failed to control and regulate wisely its public debt. For example, it hosted an expensive Olympic Games in 2004. The second reason which I would like to say is that government's debt was more worth than a full year's output in 2009 and is expected to be 120% of GDP, that is gross domestic product this year. The final reason is after the global economic crisis, Greece was picked or selected as a vulnerable country, but both government and the markets did not take adequate measures. And then I just want to return Dr. Joshkun, and I also, our guests are wondering is what does the rest of the world is going to do about the case? What do you want to say about that?
Yeah. Before answering your question, I want to first thank you because of very great introduction and summary. When we turn your question, the rest of the world must support the Greece because as our guest and you know, the global economy can be influenced by each other, and that's why I think the rest of the world should support the Greece economy.
Then one question came to my mind. Why does it matter?
Oh, yeah. I understand you because the Greek economy is a very tiny economy, and this tiny economy, maybe you can ask yourself, this tiny economy, how can influence another world economy?
I see.
Yeah, actually, it is a complicated issue, but the investor, after think about this situation, investor hesitate to make some investment.
I see.
And they think about the last 2 years recession, and that's why it is even this economy is a tiny economy. It will influence other economies.
Then there is another reality that the European countries, society, are not willing to help to Greece, such as, especially in Germany, Germanian people strike that situation. What do you want to say about will European countries, especially big such as France and Germany, will help the Greece or not?
Yeah, actually, when we think about your question, Greece, Germany and France are stronger, have stronger economy, but the speculators can speculate the situation, and after that, another European countries which are also vulnerable, such as Spain or
Ireland
or such kind of countries, can be influenced Greece economy. That's think Germany and France should support the Greece economy.
Thank you. It was
Thank you.
great information for me, our guests, and thank you.
Thank you. It was my pleasure. Thank you so much.